Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you again for watching. It's been a while, I know. I'm sorry for that. So thank you for continuously supporting, subscribing, and yeah, just keep me up to date with your thoughts and your questions. I love to respond them, so please drop a note whenever you like on any of the videos. Especially check out the old videos because I noticed some of the videos are getting a lot of response, and those, in my opinion, aren't really the best. Well, the best are yet to come, of course. We got a lot of things in mind for this coming year, for 2023. But for now, to start off the whole season kind of thing, winter season, I made an appointment with Redwire Customs to finally change my tires, my slick, well, semi-slick tires for the Surron into heavy-duty off-road. Hey, we finally arrived at Redwire Customs. Yes, Redwire Customs. Redwire Customs is located close to Leuven and is an all-round bike repair shop who literally go the extra mile to get your bike in top shape. Yeah, from small repairs to building a complete new engine for racetrack, Redwire Customs can handle it. So they seem to work with the best of the best, such as Haka Performance and DDL tuning, but they also do their own port matching, Carter tuning, and they've got a dyno by hand where they final test their bikes. So, as I mentioned early on, I'm just here to change the Super Moto tires for my Sur-ron, but immediately see an opportunity to have my own Aerox rebuilt again, properly. So I had two things in mind. Start off from scratch on a Neo Carter and go full too fast 100cc. Or buy a complete 115 LMR engines prepared block. So these are some difficult decisions I have to make on my own. I need your help, especially around holidays. I need to budgetize kind of everything. Now going back to the Surron, just a couple of minutes after I left a Redwire Custom shop, somebody texted me saying the 12-inch rims were available for Surron. So my initial plan was to go off-road with the 17-inch and to have some slick tires on 12-inch rims for circuit and for track. So that will be something for May. April or May, to be honest, next year. So we're gonna keep it occupied and we're gonna keep modding and tuning the Surron as much as we can. For now, these are the tires that will go on there to make the off-road life a little bit more durable. You know, that's why I love being surrounded by these guys. They've always got some tricks behind their sleeve to make life more easy. This tire was pretty much unworkable until we left it in front of the heater for a few minutes.
A few moments later.
That's one tire done, and I must admit I might have been able to remove the rim from the bike, but would have completely got stuck with removing the old tire or getting the new one on there without the right equipment, and tricks I learned here today. So let's see if there's anything special with the front tire. and that tire too. So no special tips or tricks needed replacing a front tire. Although I must mention all my wheelies loosened up some crucial bolts on my front wheel. With the Surron being finished and some spare time left, we took the problem child bike called the Kuberg to have a closer look and at least replace the rear tire for now. Redwire Customs suddenly became a tire shop instead of a scooter tuning shop. While Malcolm was doing manuals with his bicycle in the back, we got into some difficulties on the Kuberg. I must have bent the frame so bad over time, we had to improvise a bit in order to get this fixed. After work comes pleasure, so I was happy to let Redwire Customs test out the Surron for the first time. I do believe we got a new era on the channel with possible collabs between us. I do recommend you check out his Instagram, TikTok and YouTube will be redirected down below in the description as we got plenty more to come. I love to read your comments, so please drop a note. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thank you very much for watching.
Totaal geen idee hoe snel dat was, maar ik weet dat.
Oh, ik wil dat ook testen.
Ja, echt nice.